fixing bikes. Not my bikes. It looks like the only thing wrong with this bike was it didn't have rim tape, and it didn't even have a inner tube in the front tire. So they probably kept getting flat because there was no rim tape, and they got frustrated and threw out the inner tube. So I just made my own my own rim tape out of an old inner tube, and put in a good inner tube, and it seems to be good to go. The headset was loose. Other than that, everything seems good. The shocks seem good. Ride's nice. Front brake's could use a little work. That'll take me 5 seconds. Ride's nice. So as long as it holds air in these inner tubes, then we're good. I had to move my saddlebag back a little bit because my foot was hitting it, but now everything's good. I added a new piece of foam back here to my cooler. This shit's like a refrigerator now. Stuff to stay cold in there for hours probably. I was just inside Goodwill, and then all the smoke alarms started going off. Now all the lights are off. People are still in there shopping, but I was like, I'm not going to stay inside there if the smoke alarm's going off. Just saw a 1937 Chevy hot rod. It's not as cool as my bike.